Marami sa atin ang gustong pumayat at kumanda at the same time. Pero dahil nga sa budget, hindi na ganun kadaling pagsabayin ang pagbili ng mga iniinom at mga tinitake natin para mas gumanda at mas madali tayong pumayat. Though, pagdating sa barley, na-notice ko talaga na nakakatulong ito na makapagpakinis sa atin as we lose more weight, probably because our skin becomes healthier. But then again, may mga drinks din talaga na nakakapayat na nga and yet may collagen content pa. This is the I Am Amazing Acai Berry Extract with collagen and Bacopa Monnieri. To be honest, I haven't tasted it because it's quite expensive and it only has 7 sachets. I believe this is around 700. Let me see. Yeah, 700 siya. So parang 100 each. Pareho lang naman na sa regular barley. But still, meron kasi ako pinaglalaanan at gustong uminom talaga nito. And that is actually my son who, nakita niyo naman yung kanyang skin journey. But lately kasi we are misbehaving. Misbehaving meaning we're eating chips, we're eating fried stuff, and we kept on eating, you know, stuff that before when he was in his skincare or acne journey. Hindi ko siya pinapayagan kumain because of it. But lately, pinapayagan ko siya and that caused him to have more pimples. So ngayon, mas nilalaan ko yung drink na ito sa kanya kasi siya yung mas nangangailangan. So, right now, kakainom lang niya nung Sunday, one of it. And so far, he loves the taste. He never had any like palpitation or any allergic reaction kasi yung kinakatakot ko especially with drinks. And the result is really good. I will show photos of his before and after very, very soon. So because of that, we decided to make it from once a week to twice a week. Though there's sugar, but I believe it's just stevia. And alam mo naman, basta I Am Worldwide, hindi siya yung tipong magpapahamak sa'yo. So, yeah, it has acai berry, and then ginseng root extract powder, gotu kola, collagen, and then the barley grass powder. Oh, it has barley pa rin. And then turmeric extract powder, and then stevia leaves. I love that it still has barley. That's nice. Alam naman natin na collagen is really, really popular in terms of making our hair, skin, and nails look healthier and, you know, more glowing. And at the same time, it also makes the bone stronger. So, mahal na nga yung collagen as it is kung iinumin mo, lalo kung puro. Ano pa itong may collagen na nga, may barley pa, and then meron din siya Bacopa Monnieri, which is perfect for better memory and also to make sure that our brain has better function. So, napakaganda ng ingredients niya, and of course, it has stevia, at masarap din siya. Alam nyo ba na acai berry has the highest antioxidant content compared to other berries, and so pagdating sa pagkakaroon ng better immune system or stronger body, acai berry yung isa sa mga best ways or best fruits na talagang pwedeng kainin for us to, you know, to have a stronger body. Though ang kanyang sugar content is quite high, dito naman sa drink na ito, minade sure na hindi siya ganun katamis, and of course, it has stevia. Despite its sweetness, they also say na nakakatulong din ito to lower blood sugar. But then again, I don't know because I haven't tried and my son is just, you know, starting. But soon, I will show you a before and after with the drink. Naiinumin lang naman niya twice a week. Maximum na yun. So, yeah. Let's see. I am not saying just yet na sure nakikinis ka, but so far after drinking 1 sachet, his skin got clearer, better, and glowing and less oily. And to think, wala pa naman kaming ginagamit na new skincare para gawin yon. But soon we will actually introduce new stuff to his skin, new skincare to his skin, and I will share it with you soon. Let me know if you need help or if you have any questions. Just PM me or comment down below. Have a great day, you guys.